yo, I'm here, you know? Yeah, man. You see one, man. Up top.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So yeah, today is Sunday in Jamaica, you know. And so they come on Sunday, ice cream man, ride by. You see me? Tap him. Creamy, hold on. You see me? So ice cream man, ride by. And that's how we do it. You see me? So. My original creamy this one I used to. In general, still I run it. Up top. See boss, I know. You man I take care with the cream from where I got primary, you know. The big up cream, I see where I go on now.
You have the cream, you have the icicle, you have the ice cream.
Go on the side there.
Sandwich.
So see it? Creamy deliver the thing. On him bike, on the lane.
Inna my scene. The girl dem a say, big and them ice cream. Straight jeans and fitted and white tees.
This is how we do it in Jamaica, man. Creamy tell the people more than can find it. I go on the World Wide Web, you know. You think global, no, my boss. You understand? Enough people from Christian and Manchester don't know this man. And them man used to take care of everybody on the stretch, you know, from primary till now, you know. See
nah, change. Let's see one.
The color one, them love that one too, you know. You have ice cream cake?
Which one?
Ice cream cake on the bike.
Oh, man, you know laminate that, man? And the colored one that though?
One cookie.
Yeah. Cookie and cream one.
You have a regular ice cream cake?
No, do you have no cookie that? I want grape nut.
I want grape nut.
You have grape nut ice cream cake?
Yeah, man.
That one them will be.
I have vanilla. What I'm looking at this,
Put it in, go up. So I'm going to creamy thing now, you?
Vanilla.
The regular, if you have a cook, if you grape nut may work, that if you have, yeah. Darren, give a cream of that one day. Alright, yeah. Grape nut, I like. Yo, I like the old fashioned, you know. You see me?
Yeah, me there.
You see it there?
See there.
Original, wait,
yeah.
Don't mix up the name, original cartoon, don't? Alright, I name that. See it there? Mad. Creamy and do the thing. You pay your money already?
What else now? 17 less.
Alright, that me general.
Oh, that's 250 and 350 hour. 600, 750. 750 man, I sang that man. 750 and sang that 200. Just 950. You check one item. Yeah, man, 950.
Creamy grand man.
Money me a look away you dey. Money me a look away you dey. Money me a look away you dey. Money me a look away you dey.
Hey yo, I'm here, you know? Yeah, man. You see one, man. Up top.
Up top. Creamy, I take care of you, you see me?
Nah, change me now.
No.
One cake.
I buy one for Pinky.
You want some?
It's a cake. One cake.
You want like drumstick?
Vaccine, you want ice
One
cream?
cake, man. Ice cream cake.
You want ice
You want
cream?
vanilla? I want my
Which way one?
Regular one. Cookie one.
Buy one ice cream, you give out the money and then. You want? Yeah, grape nut, rum and raisin. Yeah, grape nut, man.
Yeah, we want the cup or the cone?
Cup or cone? Cup or cone? One cup or. Yeah, man, I like this. You collect for a cup one too? Yeah.
Yeah, man, me dey on work, man. Nah, change, you know.
We talk a long time, you do the thing, man. Up.
Little thing.
Video when you
easy.
When you do that part there.
You see it. Check it out. Ah.
See it there? I really think, man, you have it like that, man. I ride on, you see me? Say thing that melted the thing up.
Yeah. Bless up.
See it, my boss.
Yeah. Bless up to the crew.
See it there.
Bless up to the whole crew.
Yeah,
Whole crew. Whole world. Ice cream man is around. Bless up yourself. Bop.
Yeah, boss. Yeah. You know. Safe travel upon the road, you see me? Respect.
Movement.
Alright. Up. Creamy and run the road ready now. Who you get ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Are you told them look so? Thanks.
Alright,
Thank you
okay.
very much.
Alright, you happy?
Yeah.
Mad. Say yeah, man. Say thing work, you know? The man they supply the whole place with ice cream. From me I got school till now. Agree with that. So that's how the thing is done. Mommy, you ready again? You have to wash your out you know.
He'll lose the match
Referee
officially,
has
but it
seen
won't
it.
matter to him.
Referee has seen it.
That could have been a squad. Oh, Superman punch! Another one by Reigns. Your new WWE World Heavyweight Champion.
Yeah, man. Yo, man, I eat out the coconut in that day. That me and tell some man, you know. Thing like that, man. Give me some color. Yeah, man, but that's how we deal with it, man. We no go store, go buy ice cream at Jamaica. You know, you want ice cream? Wanna take you back to memory lane. Roman raised the ice cream days. Sunday, when Creamy come to the community, I say, yeah, ice cream, you know. Everybody know. It's either you get your cup if you want your ice cream in your cup, or you get ice cream on the cone. But Roman raisin was always a must. If not Roman raisin, a grape nut will go. Or the ice cream with multicolored, you know me I talk about. So leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite ice cream. Creamy just right through every community, but you have to run out, and when you hear the horn, you have to run outside and stop him and purchase what you want. The man named Cartoon and the man run off the whole Christiana from I go primary school till now. So big up Cartoon, big up the whole Christiana said speed, you see me? Up top.
But know you fast girl and have to tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.